Dawn light, responsibility, and dream together. Dreams set sail here and the fertile ground for technological innovation. New factory area, new style. Modernization management, safer and more efficient. Complete facilities and more attentive service. Intelligent park, AI everywhere. Based on user needs, adhere to quality first. Insight into the deep logic behind demand. Product experience that exceeds expectations. Cutting-edge technology, iterative updates. Deeply cultivate the visual industry. Providing one-stop integrated solutions for visual inspection, pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales full process. Crafted with ingenuity and guaranteed quality. Focusing on details, everything is exquisite. Explore the vast world with extraordinary insights. Never stop on the journey of building dreams.